You think this rocket has a strange trajectory. You're absolutely right. It won't make it to orbit like this. The world.
Jesus, come back here! Oh my God! The London bot just missed you! Holy oh God, Jesus! Oh God, baby, come back! A London bot nearly hit ya! Oh my God, baby! Starting to drizzle very lightly. Picking up now. Here we go. Holy! Holy! Holy!
Because of their high electrical conductivity, transformers are easy targets for lightning strikes. That's why they get hit so often.
Whoa!
Sometimes a failure can be just as spectacular as a success. This rocket, as you might have guessed, is not destined to reach space.
Dat was enorm dicht.
Waar was dat? Dat was hier, hè? De mensen lopen niet allemaal weg. Dat was, kijk eens hier. Kijk eens. Het huis.
Oh no, I got 2 bars left, dude. Oh, I got it!
You did it?
I got it! Oh, that was perfect. Video. I got it. That was awesome.
Oh my God!
The lightning strike left the car completely useless. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the vehicle had to be towed away.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana.
That's big. Excuse me. Our clients? Hey guys, what's all this for? Are we getting phones? I wanted to ask. No! Wait.
They just set up the guy. Whoever's running this thing must have dreamed of being a The tree had plans of its own. Whoever thought towing a helicopter like that was a good idea probably isn't coming back to work after today. This crane was attempting to lift a load weighing 5,500 tons out of the water, but it turned out to be a fatal task. The hook holding the load broke, causing catastrophe.
Wczoraj w południe w Ministerstwie Środowiska wprost, czy będzie zmiana, usłyszała nie, a wieczorem niespodzianka. Chciał kolejnej zmiany przepisów, bo w obecnym prawie widzi lokalny
Wire with its bed. Incredibly, here's what happened next. The electricity heated the air in the tires, causing the wheel to be launched off. I'm afraid this might be its last landing. Here's why you might want to keep your distance from trucks. This thing weighs 200 tons, so carrying it safely from one place to another requires more than just a good eye. Theaters are great for seeing artists bring marionettes to life, but you won't find puppets as large as these anywhere else. This clip is from the traditional flower parade in Lichtenvoorde, Netherlands. You've probably seen people whose flexibility is mind-boggling. Behind their talent are years of training that start in childhood, when the skeleton is still forming. This allows acrobats to mold their bodies for such a demanding profession. This is a parade unlike any other. This traditional geese parade takes place in the Belgian city of Ghent. It's organized by a local musical group, whose members lead the feathered participants. This dancer clearly wanted to achieve perfect synchronization with his partners, and he found a rather unconventional solution. Minutes. This girl from Rome creates incredible landscapes. All she needs are paint cans and stencils to craft her masterpieces. This street musician is a multitasking pro. He combines walking on stilts and playing bagpipes with beatboxing.